traditional Chinese breakfast donuts recipe. Light, vaporous, and extra crunchy pan-fried Chinese donuts are the best methodology in the event that you need something to have for breakfast or your next supper. This formula is incredibly simple to make and is excessively delectable. Preparation time, 40 minutes. Cooking time, 40 minutes. Serving, 6. Ingredients, for dough, 1. All-purpose flour, 2 cups. 2. Fine sea salt, 2 teaspoon. 3. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. 4. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon. 5. Unsalted soft butter, ½ cup. 6. Whole egg, 2. 7. Vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. 8. Ice water, ¼ cup. 9. Cooking oil, for frying. 10. Soy milk, for serving. Instructions. 1. Take a large bowl. 2. Add the flour and sea salt, baking powder and baking soda into the bowl. 3. Mix the ingredients well and add the eggs, water and softened butter into the bowl. 4. Mix all the ingredients well to form dough. 5. Take a large pan. 6. Add the cooking oil into the pan. 7. Make rough or straight shape of strips from the dough. 8. Add the strips into the cooking oil. 9. Cook the donuts until they turn golden brown on both sides. 10. Dish out the donuts when they are done. 11. Serve the donuts with soy milk. 12. Your dish is ready to be served.